Good morning, students. So, in yesterday we saw about Indian number system. Now, today we are going to see about international number system. We are going to revise the international number system and then comparing Indian and international systems. So here, international number system also it has periods. Ones period, thousands period. Here, lakh, crore and Arab is not there. Here in international number system we have ones period, thousand period, then million and billion. These two new periods are there in international number system. Now, after these periods, we are having places. So here in ones, how in India, same we are having ones, tens, hundred. There are places in ones period. Now in thousand also we are having thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. We are having one more place here. So thousand, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. In million also we are having 1,000,000, 10,000,000 and 100,000,000. Again, here in billion also we are having 1,000,000,000, 10,000,000,000 and 100,000,000,000. So like this we are having here three places in international number system. So in ones period we are having here ones, tens, hundred. In thousand period, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. In million period we are having 1,000,000, 10,000,000, 100,000,000 and here in billion 1,000,000,000, 10,000,000,000 and 100,000,000,000 also. So here you can see here in each period we are having three places. But in India only once we have three. But in thousand, two are there, and in lakh, crore, and Arab, two places were there. But in international, there are three places. Okay. So digits. Now here one digit, two digit, three, four, five, six, same. Seven, eight, nine digit, 10 digit, 11 digit, 12 digit numbers. So these are large numbers. Okay. Now we see example how to read and write. Now here place values are also same. How in Indian number system. Means here ones will have 1, tens will have 10, 100 will have 100, thousand, one and three zeros, 10,000, one and four zeros, 100,000, one and five zeros are there. So here we can compare. In India, international number system, 100,000 is same as in Indian as lakh, 1 lakh, because 1 and the 5 zeros are there in 1 lakh also and in 100,000 also. So 1 lakh and 100,000 they are equal when we compare Indian and international number system. Now in million we are having 1 and 6 zeros. In 1,000,000, in 10,000,000, 1 and 7 zeros. Like that here 1 and 8 zeros, 1 and 9 zeros, here 1 and 10 zeros, here 1 and 11 zeros. So when we compare Indian and international here, 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Then 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Then 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Then 10 crore is equal to 100 million. And 1 arab is equal to 1 billion. And 10 arab is equal to 10 billion. Okay, so like this, these Indian and international, they are compared, similarities and comparison between Indian and international number system. Face values are same. The face values are the same, the numbers. Now, how to read and write? If we take example, now this is a large number. Now first step, same steps we have to follow. First what we have to do? We have to put the commas according to the periods. So here we can see we are having in ones period, ones, tens, hundred. So 3 places. Then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So put comma. Then 1,000,000, 10,000,000, 100,000,000. Then put comma. So here we can see in international number system there are three places in each. And how we read this as a hundreds? 158. Same we have to read this also. 692. 367. Same we have to read. And after that we have to put the periods, in which period it comes. So how we can read this? This is in ones period, thousand period, then this is million period and billion. So we have to start reading by larger place. So here 2 billion, 2 is in billion period. So 2 billion. Here we can see there are 3 digits. So 367 million. These are in million period. After reading this 367, we have to write period also. So 2 billion, 367 million, 692,000, then 158. This ones will be same. So like that only we need to write it. That is 2 billion 600 300 367 million 192,158. So same method we have to follow here. So reading and how we read like that only, by using the correct spellings we need to write its number name. Okay, so this is about reading and writing international number system. Now here also predecessor, before, after, it is same, comparing, ordering, same as Indian number system. Okay. Now we have seen about rounding of numbers also. So we will see little about rounding of numbers. round off any number, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Same method we need to follow. When in the ones place when there are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that time the previous number will come. And when it is more than that, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means it is nearer to 10. If you see, this is nearer to 0 and this is nearer to 10. So these numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then that time the previous number will come when we are rounding off. And when it will 5 and more than 5. The digits are 5 and more than 5. The next number. That means we need to add. Now if we have to round off to 10. So 26. Now 26 is there. Now by seeing, we can tell 26 is nearer to 20 when we have to round off to 10. It is nearer to 20 or it is nearer to 30. So here, one method is direct. Small numbers we can see directly here. 26 by seeing only we can tell it is nearer to 30. So it is round off to 30. But there is one method that when we have to round off to 10, that time we have to circle 10 and see the previous number. So when the previous number comes here, this side, which is greater than 5, the previous number is equal to or greater than 5, then we need to add 1 here, which the number is rounded off. So when we plus 1 here, it becomes 3 and the remaining number will become 0. So this is one method to round off any number. So this method we need to follow for larger numbers. We'll take in hundreds, we'll take example in hundreds. 463. Now here 463 is there. So 63. Now we need to round off to 100. So that time what we have to do? We have to round, circle 100 place. So 1 tens 100 and see the previous number. Here the previous number is 6. That means we need to add. But so it will become 5 and the remaining numbers will become 0. So it is nearer to 500. Means it is nearer to 400 or 500. So it is nearest to 5. But if your smaller number is there, if your 1 is there, then that time the number it will go to previous. Means previous number means 400. Or we can follow this method when it is less than 5, when the previous number is less than 5, then we have not to add 1. The same number we need to write and the remaining number will become 0. So 413 is nearest to 400. When it is smaller, we have not to add 1. When it is greater, we have to plus 1. Okay, same method we need to follow for 1000, lakh also. So if you take now, if we have to round off to 1000, then what we have to do? 1000 once 10. Now it is given 10,000 number, means 26,000 is given, but we have to round off to 1000. Then what we have to do? We have to circle the 1000 number, ones, tens, 100,000. And see the previous number. Previous number is 9. So it is when a greater number is there, then we have to plus 1. This we have to remember. When the greater numbers are there, we have to plus 1. When smaller numbers are there, the digits are there, we have not to plus 1. We have to keep same number. So here say 9 is there means this will become plus 1. So 7. So this 2. We are rounding to 1000. So we have to change from here 1000 place. So this the predecessor, this previous number, this number, the front number will be same. So here 2 and this will change as 7 and here it will become. So that means 26,958 is nearer to 27,000. Now if we have to round off to 10,000, we need to round off to 10,000, then we have to circle 10,000 place and see the previous number. So when we are seeing the previous number, it is less than 5. So when it is less than 5, this number will remain as it is and the remaining number will become 0. That means 23,958 is nearer to 20,000, not 30,000. So we have to round off any larger number like this. Okay. So this is about our lesson 1. And we are having Roman numbers also in this. So that we know there are 7 symbols: I, V, X, L, C, 7 symbols, M, D, N. So based on these 7 symbols only, we have to make new Roman numerals and we have to do now. For example, X, X, V, I, by using the rules. So what X means 10. Here 1, 5, 10, 50, 100. D is 500 and 1000. So here X means 10 plus 10, 20 and this is 7. So here in Roman number, we have to convert Indo-Arabic into Roman and Roman into Indo-Arabic. So this is about our lesson 1, knowing our numbers. Now in our next class, we will start our next lesson. Thank you.